Okay, so now just now we have a direct sew with a stay button, and then by stitch, and then if direct sew without a stay button, the distance will be reduced, and this one no need to insert also can. And now to study how to put the sun button. Okay, we have a tool here. One is the big size, one is the small size. We try the small size first. So sun button, we have to change the button carrier. Remove. Okay. So we have to choose which one we can use. I already selected one. Okay, so we put not this one, not stable. Okay. Okay. So make the screw touch here. So maximum go in. Let's make it maximum in. And then left and right will be at the long slot inside, not outside. Okay. So now we have to check the button carrier. Is it okay or not okay? So the button is put like this. Okay. So now we change the pattern of the ready key. We change the pattern. I selected some pattern before. We can use, let me see, 28, enter. So now we have to check the carrier, button carrier. Is it easy to automatic move in or not? We use the same key. Okay, so the additional this button job, then we have to remove for safety. And then now we have to check at the time close the left and right cam, button cam close, whether okay or not okay. Look like stable. So confirm. And then we have to double check whether one more time automatic send the button is okay or not. I have another two button here. So first is the round one is on the top, and downside we make alignment like this. Just imagine at the center, just like this. Go to end, not outside. Maximum end. No need so much pushing. So now we have to remove the O button. Then depress the front side pedal. Ready key first. Okay, you can see something different, right? The button cam will be moved to 45 degree, right? See one more time. I take out the O button first. Ooh. bit job inside. Okay. So double check, depress the front pedal. Okay. So now we have to check whether little entry point okay or not. So little entry point check. Maybe I need to change the camera. Already have a camera, right? So now we I turn back the camera so you. So now is the panel alone. Then you can see from here on my side is the I move the camera a little bit. Okay, so now we have to use a step by step to check the little entry point from here. After confirm, we check the right hand side here for the stitching. Okay, so now we just take out the check first. Okay, just cut the check. Okay, like this. And then use this step. Then I change the camera. Now before change, this is the height, distance should be okay. Go to next. Then now is we have to change the camera. Then we can see. So now we can see from this camera. Okay, so see, I turn the hand wheel and make the little down. So first is like a bind stitch. We also change check. It's the same as a bind stitch here, only inside different. So we see the next step, little up first, next step. Okay, this is the next step. We'll go to center of the hole, sun button hole, and then we have to make a four direction center. Try your best, make it center, even though the hole is big, for safety. A little will broken. So now go back to center again. This for the by stitch. Okay. I can say little to be moved, little bit left side better. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Little up. You can imagine just now step by step, and go to outside of this this plate, this the material support plate. So we have to check the minimum two direction. One is here. One is to the button round hole, so we make sure have enough gap. Okay, then needle up, then go to left side. Go to left side of the button side. Okay, so we double check. Mostly I will make it little bit more gap, for safety. Actually we can make it less, but just for demo. So now we go back to right hand side, outside of the material support plate. And also I have to make sure this gap have enough. Okay, so we go to next step. So this is for trimming. Just enter. So be careful because you have a lap wrapping. Let me see, lap wrapping. Then we have to go through the next step without material first, without stitching. Okay, I go to next step, push in, front pedal, touch. And then we go to the right side picture of little entry point checked ready, then go to right side stitching. But now not stitching, only because we have a different step now. I show you. Now it's all the same, all this step is same. But thereafter, now become 21 stitches instead of 8 stitches. So now is lap wrapping area. So at this moment we cannot make adjustment, we only can check. I can say here is little bit dangerous, this side, little bit dangerous. I have to move back for needle entry point check to move this needle little bit far away from center. Okay. Now I finish first. Then after confirm, they will drop the button. Yeah, no problem. Wait for a while. Then I put back the button inside. Okay, so little entry point check only now. I make the little entry point from right hand side, move a little bit outside of the center one. Okay, from here, I make it more right hand side. Yeah, for safety. This side. Okay, this side okay. But make sure here have enough gap. So I enter first, little up. Only this adjustment. I double check the stitching area. So go to little entry point, check right hand side icon. So now we have to check one by one. This one is okay. Just roughly to see center, yeah. Okay, check here. Now we have more gap. I go back the previous checkpoint. Make sure have enough gap. Otherwise a little broken. Oh, forgot to put a preset button. Okay, take out the old button. Okay, so depress the pedal. And then now little entry point check already, so make stitching. So remember we have different sizes of sun button. Actually the check point is the same. Only the little entry point adjustment different, right? Because almost everything is same. Even though the key step by step also same. So now we are already make I change the camera now because little entry point already checked. So go back to the panel. Okay, so now we put the fabric. Before stitching, make sure don't have any metal here, right? So I put slanting check. And then pass the front side pedal. And then use a little entry point for stitching first. The difference is direct pass here is very fast, you know, sometimes little broken. So we use this way one by one is for more confident, right? One by one. Even though little broken, also we can immediately stop. So after you have a confidence, you can make a little bit fast. Maybe I can change the camera, you can see the little entry point also. Let me change. My camera speed is a little bit slow. Oh, okay. I dropped the fabric. Let me see. Just now slanting here. So this is the result. So beautiful, you see. Behind, only one small stitch. It's so beautiful machine. And then if you put different sizes for some button is all the things same. But sometimes not same is maybe this device cannot automatic insert the button. So only this one different, right? Sometimes will drop because the top side have one small design. Will be sometimes will be come out, you know. So in this case, how to do? All the another step is the same with a small thing. So for the different design of the sun button, in case cannot automatic, use hand to insert. How to use hand is from here. See from here. I change the camera. Okay, so you can copy this pattern, or you can directly use the same pattern, then off the ready key, then from here you can change. Yeah, off. So on the ready key, and then you can see now it's different. Automatic open. Here the cam automatic open. I changed the camera because now we are not using the IP. So change the camera. So if I pass the front side of the pedal, one time I pass, it will be you hold the front side pedal will be keep opening. Once you remove your leg, it will be closed. Pass, open, remove, close. But what is the difference? At the time close, you cannot open very heavy. But at the time open, after open, before close, then you touch it here, just little bit pressure, it will be let you to hold the cam foot now. You see? So means we can just we can turn the button. Of course cannot like this because little entry point from center. So from here we hold the button, one side holds center, inside one is center, outside. So keep pressing the front side pedal. Then insert this button, this round shape touching inside of the button cam. Then remove your leg, then holding right side, then little go in. Okay, so we turn and make it parallel, you know, because little entry point here. Then you can double check whether the center little entry point okay or not okay. If okay, then you can make stitching. But I recommend better you copy the pattern to some other different number, because this one for the small button of the sun button, small diameter of the sun button, it confirm can be stitched. So if you make editing here, means later on you have to edit the small one also. So better you copy to another pattern number. Then double check the little entry point. Then or everything like this, okay. Then go to stitching area to double check the leg wrapping area, little entry point. If okay, make a threading one by one. Use a threading step, one step by one step to make stitching until you have a confidence. Then you make automatic stitching. Okay, thank you.